Welcome back, TK. My blow art is dry now. And I know that for sure, unlike my bubble wrap one, huh? Okay, so now it's time to make our turkey, okay? What you're going to need is, of course, your blow art. You'll need a pair of scissors, your glue stick, markers, and the rest of your pieces of construction paper, okay? The brown, the orange, and the red. So, we're gonna start with the brown, okay? Do you have all your materials? If you don't, pause, go get it, and then come back. Okay. All right, we're going to make two shapes on here. We're going to make one that is an oval and one that is a circle. The oval is going to be the turkey's body and the circle will be the turkey's head, okay? So I'm going to take a black marker and I'm going to draw my circle first. Don't make it too big, okay? That might be a little big, Miss Boo, but we'll see. Okay, and now I'm gonna make my body, okay? So you know what will help is if we just go ahead and fold it in half. That way, there we go. If you fold it in half, then you know to make your oval not any bigger than half of the sheet of construction paper. So I'm going to make my oval. Okay, which means I think my head is a little too big. I'm going to draw my head smaller. There we go. Okay, so do you have an oval and a circle? It's time to cut it out. Thumbs at the top, fingers on the bottom, scissors always point away from you. Helping hand is holding the paper and turning. Remember, the helping hand, turn, turn, turn. And when you get to an awkward position, the helping hand needs to move so that it gets closer to the scissors. So move and turn, turn, turn. There we go. And remember, I'm going to cut my smaller circle, not my bigger one. My bigger one was just too big compared to the body. Okay, here we go. Now, you can decide which way you want your turkey to go. If you want your turkey to be looking this direction and the feathers are going horizontal, then you will glue it like this. But if you want your turkey feathers to be vertical, then you'll glue it like that. When I blew my art, my watercolor, in my mind was thinking I want the turkey feathers to be horizontal. Okay, so I'm going to glue him down with my paper going horizontal. So I'm gonna put glue on the turkey's body. Like that. And I'm gonna glue him right in the middle. Okay, so the art looks like it's his feathers sticking out all around him. And then I'm going to glue his head on top of his body. Just like that, okay? Now, we're going to need to make his face. So, we're going to use the orange for his beak, okay? And his beak is going to be triangular. So if you look at the corner That's already 1 point and 2 sides. So then all you have to do is make a diagonal cut. Just like that. And now you've got a triangle, okay? And so go ahead and try it. You see? It can be any corner you want. I can use this corner and do it again. Okay? Just one step, boom. And I've got another beak. Here we go. The beak is gonna go right in the middle. So you can put the beak however you like. I'm gonna face it down like this. You can put the beak to the side like that. You can put it down. You can put it however you like. I think I'm gonna have one of the points pointing straight down. Okay. Just like that. Oopsie, here you go. Okay. And what is distinctive about a turkey? What else does a turkey have on his face? Yeah, remember that red thing that hangs? Yeah, that's called a wattle. Okay, so we're going to make his wattle with the little red piece of construction. And we're going to make it by making a kind of like a teardrop. So it starts skinny and gets fatter. So I'm gonna start from the top. I'm gonna go down and then curve out and curve back in again. Okay, kind of like a pear shape, huh? Or an eggplant or a teardrop. So you do yours. And when you're done, you got it. You need to cut it out. Okay, and then it's gonna go on the side of the beak, kind of like that. So I'm going to glue his wattle, my turkey wattle, on his face. There you go. Okay. And now, what is the turkey missing? His eyes, right? So if you have googly eyes, then you can go ahead and glue them down like that. But if you don't have googly eyes, then you can just take your marker and you can draw your turkey's eyes. Okay, so I'm going to add some glue onto my googly eyes here. There we go. That was a lot of glue, a lot of extra glue. Put that googly eye back. Okay. It's purple, just like the feather. And now, if you want, you can add his legs, his feet, if you want. Just, there you go. And we are done with our blow art turkey. Gobble gobble. Happy Thanksgiving.